Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Front-end development. Whether you are just starting or looking to level up your skill, this video will cover everything you need to know about building stunning user interface. So let's dive right in. If you want to be a front-end developer, then watch the full video because I will describe what you will need to start. And if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of front-end development, let's clarify what it actually is. In a nutshell, front-end development involves creating the visual elements and user interfaces that users interact with directly in a web application or website. This includes HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. So the first step is learn HTML basics. The foundation of every web page is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It provides the structure and content of our websites. We will start by covering the basic structure of an HTML document, common tags, and best practice for creating accessible and semantic markup. Then you have to learn CSS styling. Once we have our content laid out with HTML, it's time to make it look visually appealing using CSS. CSS is cascading style sheets. We will explore CSS selector properties and learn how to create a responsive design to ensure our website look great on any device. Responsive web design. In today's mobile-driven world, it is essential to have websites that adapt to different screen sizes. We will learn the concept of responsive web design and demonstrate how media queries and flexible layouts can achieve this seamlessly. After learning responsive web design, you need to learn JavaScript fundamentals. Adding interactivity and dynamic elements to our websites is where JavaScript comes into play. We will cover the basics of JavaScript, including variables, data types, functions, and conditional statements to get you started with front-end interactivity. Then learn DOM manipulation. The document object model or DOM allows us to interact with HTML and XML documents programmatically. We will demonstrate how to use JavaScript to manipulate the DOM and create dynamic user experience. Now pick up a modern front-end tools. Now let's talk about some of the modern front-end tools that have become crucial for efficient development workflows. We will explore popular libraries and frameworks like React, Vue.js, and Angular and discuss their benefit and use cases. CSS Preprocessor is optional, but it will speed up your coding. Writing large CSS codebase can get overwhelming. That's where CSS preprocessors like Sass and Less come in handy. We will explain that they are and how they can enhance your CSS workflow. Then try to build and deploy a full project. Building a website involves more than just writing code. We will touch on build tools like Webpack and Gulp and discuss development strategies to get your front-end projects live and accessible to users. Congratulations, you have now covered the essential aspects of front-end development. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this skill, so don't be afraid to experiment and build your own projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy coding and see you in the next video.